Som Tam, Thailand. Som Tam, also known as green papaya salad, is a popular dish in Thailand that is made with unripe green papaya, chili peppers, garlic, and a variety of other ingredients. It is typically served with sticky rice and is a popular street food in Thailand. To make som tam, the green papaya is peeled and shredded using a grater or a mandolin. The shredded papaya is then mixed with ingredients such as chili peppers, garlic, tomatoes, long beans, lime juice, fish sauce, and sugar. The ingredients are pounded together using a mortar and pestle until they are well combined and the papaya is slightly softened. Som tam can vary in spiciness depending on the type and amount of chili peppers used. It is typically a very spicy dish, but the spiciness can be adjusted to taste. In addition to being a popular street food, som tam is also commonly served at restaurants in Thailand. It is a refreshing and flavorful dish that is enjoyed by people of all ages in Thailand. Here is a recipe for som tam, a popular green papaya salad from Thailand. Ingredients: 1 unripe green papaya, peeled and shredded. 4 to 6 cherry tomatoes, quartered. 1 cup long beans, cut into 2-inch lengths. 2 to 3 garlic cloves, minced. 2 to 3 Thai chili peppers, minced, optional. 2 tablespoons lime juice. 2 tablespoons fish sauce. 2 tablespoons palm sugar, or brown sugar. 1 tablespoon dried shrimp, soaked in warm water, optional. Handful of roasted peanuts, roughly chopped. Instructions. 1. In a large mortar, pound together the garlic, chili peppers, and dried shrimp, if using a pestle until they are well combined and fragrant. 2. Add the long beans and cherry tomatoes to the mortar and pound them lightly until they are slightly softened. 3. Add the shredded papaya to the mortar and pound it lightly until it is slightly softened. 4. Add the lime juice, fish sauce, and palm sugar to the mortar and continue to pound the ingredients until they are well combined and the papaya is tender. 5. Transfer the som tam to a serving dish and sprinkle with the chopped peanuts. 5. Serve with sticky rice on the side. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Let me know if you have any questions or if you would like any modifications. Please don't forget to like, share, drop your comment below and subscribe my channel. Thank you.